Hello everyone. This is a quick video explaining you how to get your first PerApp VPN demonstration. So in this demo I have an iPad, an APM, and an Airwatch server. So first of all, I did an enrollment for this device. So this device is known by Airwatch. Okay, I have the Airwatch agent, and I have as well an Edge client, and I'm gonna show you how to set your first PerApp VPN connection for a specific application. In this video it will be the Microsoft Word application. So the first step is to set your VPN part, VPN solution. So on the VPN solution you don't have to set specific stuff for PerApp. For the PerApp it's exactly the same way to set your VPN connection as a normal VPN connection, okay? So you set your network access as usual. In my case, the name is VPN_Airwatch. The second step is to set your VP, okay? So this is a global VP used for several demonstrations. In this video, we're gonna use these branches. We will not use VDI, so it will be a fallback. We will not use a Microsoft Exchange client, it will be the fallback, and we will arrive on the landing URI. On the landing URI, we're gonna use the /airwatch, and we will enter in the first box. The first box is to check the client OS. Is it a Windows or a mobile device? It will be a mobile device, it will be an iPad, and we're gonna move to the next box, Android, Airwatch, iOS, Android. This is this macro. This macro use the Cyborg connection to Airwatch. So I'm gonna not explain how to make this Cyborg connection. I suppose you used to do it. So I'm gonna request device information to Airwatch. So I'm gonna provide to Airwatch with the UDID, your device UDID. I'm gonna check the answer, the response, and if the device is known, I'm gonna continue to the next box for authentication. It's a on-demand cert authentication. That's it. And the next box is actually the VPN resource assignment, VPN_Airwatch. That's it. Okay, so as usual, the only box to check for PerApp is on your virtual server. On your virtual server, you have to check one box here in the APM part, application tunnel. Okay, it's specified. Check this box. That's it. For the VPN side, you just have to set as usual and check this box. On the Airwatch side, you have to prepare two stuffs. The first one is the VPN profile. You have to push a VPN profile on the device. Okay, so I had prepared one. This one, PerApp Paris. This is a iOS profile with the user certificate authentication. So this is my certificate used in my VP. If you remember, I need an on-demand certificate authentication, and I set an F5 SSL VPN connection. So I specify my gateway, paris.f5se.com, and I specify the path. Just to remind you, I use a landing URI. Safari domains, we don't care at the moment, and I specify my certificate. Okay, free certificate has been pushed. I use the first one. The first one is a user certificate, and I check the box VPN on demand. So this is a VPN profile. So this profile has been pushed to my iPad so that the Edge client can connect to the big IP. It's this profile. Okay. The next step is to prepare the application. By default, the application does not use any VPN connection. Okay, it's a standalone application by default. So you have to prepare this application on the Airwatch side. So switch back to Application, Public, and add a new one. Okay, so you click on Add Application. You select the store, the platform. You enter a keyword. In my case, Microsoft Word, and Airwatch will make a search. We want this one. Perfect. We select the application. You can assign a group of device if you want, and the VPN port is here. You have to check Use VPN, and you have to select your PerApp VPN profile. So when the user will click on this application, the application will start a VPN with this profile. If you remind you, this profile is a PerApp VPN to paris.fiac.com/airwatch. Perfect. It's what we want. So now I push this application to my device. It's done, okay? Already installed. You have to click on this box if you want to send your application. Manage device. So it's done, okay? So on my mobile device, I have a Word application, push from Airwatch, an Edge client with a PerApp VPN profile installed. And when I'm gonna click on the Word app, the Word application will start the PerApp VPN. So have a look on the top left corner. You can see the PerApp VPN starting is up. Perfect. So you see the VPN square. So now Microsoft Word is connected to my APM gateway, and only this application. If I switch to another one, if I switch to OneNote, PowerPoint, or Excel, these applications are not connected to the VPN. So now I can use either my local document on iPad, my documents on my OneDrive account, or my on-premise SharePoint. This server 10.115.13 is on-premise, is behind my APM, behind my VPN gateway, and I can have access to my document. That's it. It's straightforward for everyone. So just have to click on the application will connect to the on-premise server. In my case, it's a SharePoint server. Very, very easy to make it work.